Welcome to Crossings, Bandon Golf, Beyond the Dunes. With a short game area, putting green, and full grass driving range, Crossings has everything you need to warm up before a round or challenge your game any time of year. This is all 18 holes at Bandon Crossings. From the start, Crossings grabs your attention. Named for the trees that line the first tee, the opener is a stout dogleg left par 4. The second shot plays uphill to a green defended by a bunker left, another bunker long, and steep hillside right. The first gives you the chance to hit a great shot early and a glimpse of what lies ahead. The second is a shorter par 4 that forces golfers to make a decision off the tee. Swing away or play strategic as the fairway narrows in the landing area. No matter the yardage, approach shots must be precise to find the surface here. A pot bunker sits short left of the green, while a vast shared bunker with number 15 guards the right side. The par 4 third offers more choices off the tee. A drive short of the fairway bunker sets up the ideal angle, while the right side shortens the hole for the second shot. Left of this green provides a chance to get up and down. Sweeping left through marsh, velvet grass, and bunkers, the par 5 fourth hole finishes over a creek to an elevated green. Finding the surface here requires precision from any distance. The fifth, another par 5, takes golfers from open rolling dunes to a green situated in lush valley. With plenty of room off the tee and downslope in the landing zone, this longer par 5 can be a 2-shot hole. When calculating a layup, make sure to stay short of the hazard to set up an approach. The fifth also features an alternate green for those playing the North 9 routing. Making the transition to coastal forest, hole 6 at Crossings takes you into the trees, with a long par 3 that plays downhill to an ample green flanked by deep bunkers. With a long iron or wood, finding the surface at 6 is always a satisfying feeling. Carved through the trees, the 7th is a stunner. A mid-length par 4, this golf hole is visually exciting from the start. Framed by forest, with significant elevation change and movement in the fairway, 2 perfectly placed bunkers narrow the landing area. No matter the club, precision is required off the tee on 7. The approach shot plays uphill to a green with trouble right and room short and left. The 8th is another gem of a par 4, turning hard left around the ghost of an old madrone.
This one demands a good tee shot. It's a pretty long par 4. It definitely is aiming into the right, but there's a lot more room on the left than what you can see.
The tee shot directs you right, which is the safe line off the tee, but successfully cut the corner and you can shorten the hole dramatically. From the fairway, the golfer is faced with a narrow green set against a backdrop of trees. Bunkers left and short right wait to catch errant approach shots. The green feeds from back to front and right to left. Part of Crossings' unique layout is the 9th hole. After a few long holes in a row, this shorter par 3 fits nicely into the routing. A chance to set up a birdie putt. Avoid the front right bunker, and the green on 9 is generous.
That's my coach.
With a spine back center, dividing the large surface into halves. The second 9 at Crossings begins with a mid-length par 4. An uphill tee shot with a bunker in the middle that must be avoided. Right shortens the hole, while left side of the fairway offers a view of the pin and the best angle to approach the green. With bunkers all around the surface, 10 is well defended.
Oh, go in! Oh!
The 11th is a charming par 3 tucked between the trees. The large putting surface features a pronounced bank on the right side, kicking balls left towards the center of the green. For any pin position, you can use the contours to funnel a ball towards the hole. The par 5 12th also carves its way through the trees, down into a valley, and up again to a green backed by dense coastal forest. Navigate the blind second shot successfully, and this dogleg right can be a scoring opportunity.
Good cap, wave to the crowd.
Another chance at a par 5. The 13th might be the most dramatic and most demanding tee shot on the course. Framed by trees, the fairway dives down a steep slope in the landing area, then rises again on its way to the green. Deep bunker left and trees right guard the approach.
Automatic. Nice.
The elevation change on the par 3 14th is impressive and can make club selection from the tee tricky. Significantly downhill with a forced carry over native marshland. This par 3 requires a solidly struck shot to find the surface. With bunker and pond right and marshland short and left, the 14th is a satisfying green to hit and provides the chance to gain momentum as you leave the trees. 15 is a return to the open rolling farmland feel on the north side of the property. Bunkers and velvet grass define the look of this short par 4. Avoiding the sand off the tee sets up an approach that plays to a 2-tiered green, well defended by bunkers either side. The shortest par 4 on the course, 16 tempts you to play aggressively, but driver may not be required to set up a short iron. Into the green, precision is key, as the slender green is set at an angle to the fairway. With deep bunkers waiting front and left, finding this small green in 2 can be easier said than done from any distance. The 17th is another stunner. A jaw dropper of a par 3. Not long, but playing uphill over a pond to a wide green, the 17th has a little bit of everything. Character, excitement, and a chance for dramatics late in the round. An exhilarating shot to hit to any pin location. Crossings wraps up with a truly unique par 5. Bending right around a lone fairway bunker, this potential 2-shot hole gets more dramatic on the second shot, where a deep ravine cutting through the fairway must be crossed. From either side, the approach plays downhill to a green with bunkers and marsh on the left. Using the contours right of the green can help funnel a ball towards the surface, making 18 a potential scoring hole to end the round. From start to finish, designer Dan Hickson keeps you thinking, entertained, and excited for your next round at Bandon Crossings.